Yes.
Let's go cook some.
Let's go cook.
300 grams of stringless runner beans. Slice them into strips like so. 1 medium carrots. $20 grams of ginger. 4 cloves of garlic. Mince. 250 grams of chicken breast. To marinate the chicken. Cornstarch, 1 teaspoon. 1/4 spoon of white pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of garlic. 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. And 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. 2 teaspoons of regular oil. Mix well, marinate for 15 minutes. For the stir fry sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, 50 ml water. Stir until the cornstarch fully dissolved. 3 tablespoons of regular oil in a medium heat pan. Brown off the ginger. Once the ginger is brown like so, discard the ginger. In with our marinated chicken. After 40 seconds, turn the chicken over. Sear the chicken for another 40 seconds. Once it's evenly brown, set it aside. 1 tablespoon of regular cooking oil into a medium heat pan. In with our string beans and carrots. Add a pinch of sugar. Pinch of salt, in with the rest of our garlic, splash of Shaoxing wine. Stir fry for 20 seconds until the beans is almost translucent like so. Return the chicken. in with the rest of the sauce we made earlier. And once the sauce is thickened, we are done.